Hello, my name is Mark and I'm the shop craftsman here at the Woodsmith magazine, and today I'll be giving you a demonstration on how to install baseboard in a room. So firstly, the majority of rooms aren't perfectly square, so you can't really get away with using a 45-degree on each corner of the room, otherwise your mitre will open up. So the next best thing to do that is to do a cope joint, so I'll give you a demonstration on how to proceed with that. So first of all, I like to work clockwise in a room. So I'll lay my first piece, which has got a straight cut on the end, straight into the corner. So taking this as an example of a corner of a room, I'll butt that tight into the corner. Then I'll take my mating piece, which is on the opposing side of the wall. And what I'll do there, I'll cut the 45 on this piece as if I was going to use a mitered angle in the corner. So I'll cut the 45 on that. Then I'd turn this over on the mitre saw and I'd back bevel it on the straight down. All the way until you get to the moulding part. So this is the first step of how I'm going to cope this joint. So now I've got that piece, I'll come over to my bench and use a coping saw to remove the remainder of that moulding on this piece of baseboard. So just following the profile of this end piece. So remove the remaining waste. So there you've got a cope joint. The reason why I did this back bevel is so I've got a nice sharp corner on the front edge, on the face, for when it butts into the opposing piece. So now I'm ready to put this down and butt it in there to get a nice tight fit. Now, if this piece does decide to move over time with humidity, it's not going to open up that joint. You're still going to see a tight fit in that corner. So that was my demonstration on how to do a cope joint on baseboard.